Hi guys! It's been a week since we stopped at work. Time check, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to make a yummy snack. Fluffy pancakes. I made this a couple of days ago and it turns out so good. So I'm going to show you. Come on, let's go! I like pancakes for my snacks. Do you like pancakes too? Can you tell me what's your favorite snack?